You're sitting there again, phone in your hand, scrolling past another video about success while your own ideas stay unfinished. You tell yourself you'll start later, after one more clip, after one more night. The days look the same. Wake up, rush through routines, promise yourself you'll change something tomorrow. But tomorrow keeps moving. You watch companies grow into giants. You see logos everywhere, people lining up for things you never built. And a quiet thought slips in. What am I even doing with my time? It's not that you're lazy, you think a lot. You imagine bigger things, but the moment passes. Comfort pulls you back. Distraction fills the silence. Routine wraps around you like a soft cage. You don't notice it at first because nothing feels dramatic. Just small delays, small excuses, small promises you break to yourself. And the worst part isn't failure, it's that slow feeling of being left behind. Somewhere out there, a company like Apple makes more in a day than most people will see in a lifetime. Not because of luck, not because someone waited for motivation, because every decision was made long before anyone noticed. Quiet discipline, relentless focus, years of choosing hard things while the world chose easy ones. But here's the truth. It was never about phones, or money, or genius ideas. It was about identity. The difference between watching and building, between consuming and creating, between saying one day and living like today matters. Discipline isn't punishment, it's self-respect. It's waking up and proving to yourself that your time has weight. It's deciding who you are when no one is watching. Freedom doesn't come from endless choices. It comes from the ability to choose one path and stay on it. You already know what you could be doing right now. You feel it in your chest, that small pressure you keep ignoring. Maybe the real question isn't how Apple makes $1 billion a day. Maybe it's this. If your habits built a company, what kind of company would they be building today? And are you ready to see the answer?